Made it. Zigzag. This is our zone. We used to camp here for summer, like 2 months. We lived in a trailer and also in my van. This was the spot that we caught a bunch of fish, like I did today.
Figures. First one, she gets to fish.
First cast.
Like that fly.
This looks like the white mountain fish that we usually catch. And first fish of the year. Bye. Wow.
We're eating good tonight.
I'm surprised that we actually got something because it never happens, you know. But I think the fish just wanted to piss off Kayleen. Kayleen, how's the fishing going? Shit.
For some people,
Are you catching a fish or what?
fish.
The first fishing of the year. It's very exciting. She's bummed because I got 2 fishes and she got none.
That's right when you change the perfect fly for you.
What's that?
Because you have the perfect fly.
I did have the perfect fly, but the fly is still on the rod.
Yeah, but now it's all wet and it's been used. You scared all the fish away.
I'm scared of fishies. There's a chance that that happened. Oh, she's gonna get one now. You should be happy for your wife catching a fish.
I am.
You're lying, I can tell.
I am.
Are you trying to get yourself?
No.
This is our van. It's ours and we love it. What do you think? Good morning, Muffin.
Hi, good morning.
Got the bikes ready, got this ready.
Looking at this dope little jump over here.
Eating some skillet for breakfast. These things are actually pretty dope, easy and tasty. Not that one.
Not as good.
This one isn't as good. The Backpacker's Pantry mango sticky rice is not sticky rice. It's rice. I'm not into it. This brand is better.
Maybe Kayla.
Anyways, this guy is building a bike park here. I never knew that you can build a bike park in about 10 minutes. And we're gonna go ride some e-bikes. There was a cougar sighting here, so we gotta watch out. Apparently some cougars were running people down the mountain. I was hoping we could see one, which would be nice. But also it wouldn't be nice because when you see a cougar, he wants to eat you. Because he doesn't usually let you see him. You know what I mean? So, you want to see cougar, sweetie?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
I am the cougar.
True. She's my little cougar. We're gonna go. I'll look at you, our little setup. I built these beds now. Those are new ones. I use these slots from IKEA. Those are pretty sick, actually. And then put them across. And then you put the plywood on it. This thing lifts up as well. Now you can see. These ones are liftable. They're on a hinge. And these ones are also movable. You can squeeze these in so they fit. They're easier to move. They're not permanently in there. And now we have a lot more space here. Look. It's like a way bigger area now. Isn't it?
This is the best.
Yeah. What do you think, Muffin?
Yep.
You like the little bed new zone? It's a little crowded there at night, but...
I almost got claustrophobic last night.
Yeah?
Actually, and I never get claustrophobic.
Ah, you're a liar.
It's true.
I felt like I was in a cocoon. It was great.
Yeah. My feet were like, didn't know where to go.
they could have gone on me.
They did actually. You're right.
But yes, look at this space now. A lot more head space, so we can put some chairs here, cook here if we need to. Then we got the, oh yeah, this thing is the mountain bike holders. So I get to put one mountain bike there, one mountain bike here. It's pretty dope. I attach it to the slots, and yeah, this is it. This is the zone. Now we go ride. Watch us. Had some brekkie, a little coffee, and off we go. I love those tiny handlebars. They're so cute. How is it for the for the bumps?
It can be a bit jarring.
Yeah.
But overall, it's fine. I know they're just.
Yeah.
We'll get out of them in just a second.
Okay. We'll go. Oh no.
Sorry about that.
So good.
Okay?
Yeah. Come in and hug. I was going to drink. Huh? I don't know. I'm just going too fast.
I think you're probably going too fast for here.
Whew, I hit my head. Pretty good. Thank God for his helmet. How was your ride?
I love
Sick.
it.
We did a little swap-a-roo on the bikes, and everybody's feeling better.
Yeah.
I catch more air, and I whip my tail.
And I can go.
These guys have a jump here. All right,
Up
let's
and
go be
over.
moms.
Up and over.